This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry, I couldn't attend. Actually, my in-laws are with me. So,
It's okay, no problem. Actually, Saturday, Sunday, I didn't ask, but from tomorrow I will not be available. So,
oh, okay.
reason. Yeah, maybe
Going somewhere?
2, 3 days. So,
You going somewhere?
and we have 2 sessions. Yeah, I'm traveling,
Okay, okay, okay.
and we have 2 sessions,
So,
right? So I thought we can
how many
complete that.
sessions remaining?
2 sessions.
Uh, so today we are doing Google Ads and tomorrow?
Tomorrow, email campaign and SEM rush.
Okay, okay, okay.
So, yeah, campaigns we
I
have
mean, like
done.
I can
Campaign
attend in morning also if you want.
morning. I should look at that.
Yeah.
Let's see. So in our previous session, we have gone through the campaign and created one search campaign, right? Today we'll
Yeah.
see how to create the YouTube and display campaigns.
YouTube. Okay.
So yeah, the same process for every campaign, like going under the campaign section and creating the campaigns. Just that's it. But
Yeah.
selecting the what campaign we are doing and what type of campaign, like selecting the
Mm-hmm.
objective. What is the objective, like website traffic or
Mm-hmm.
sales or just the impression, that, and the campaign type is like display or video. These two is the only different when we are creating the campaign.
Yeah.
So let's see where we'll create a campaign. What is this? No account. Yeah. Yeah, so for here, the objective, like what will decide the campaign objective and campaign type. So if you want to go with the YouTube campaign, so now what is the objective of the campaign? Like you want to have more impression, like people need to see the video ad, or after seeing the ad, they need to come to our website. So when we are going for the YouTube, or when we are going also same like impressions. Mostly we need to get the impression. Now here, the main thing not is the creating the campaign, but to understand which campaign we need to select. For example, you are launching a product, same as we have discussed the objective. If you are launching a product, there are stages. First, customer need to get an awareness about the product, and at that after the awareness stage, he need to consider the product, and then at the last stage, he need to purchase the product. In these 3 stages, we will decide which campaign will go in which stage. Okay. Now at the awareness stage, we don't want the user to take a particular action. We just want him
Mm-hmm.
to see the ad and get to know about the details, like maybe a 30-second video. If you see that, he will come to know about our product. Okay,
Yeah.
so like that, if you see the same ad couple of times in a week, then he will remember the product or the brand or something is getting released in this way. Okay, that is the main objective when we are releasing a product, like the first campaign. Now, what are all the actions we can do to do that? One is display, second is video.
Mm-hmm.
Search campaign, they will not, because search campaign, if you type something, then only our ad will come up. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if you search something, then only our ad will come up. Of course, if you are doing it from mobiles or some kind of products, then also we can do the search campaign for the awareness purpose also. But mostly this will
Mm-hmm.
cost high. Let's say maybe it was costing us $1 or $2 per click. Okay, it is $2 means around 160 rupees per click. So this will be high.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when it comes to display or video campaign, they will charge 30 cents. Okay, not a dollar, just 30 cents for an impression. Okay, for each impression.
Mm-hmm.
Like for $5 or $10, we will get 1,000 impressions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe let's consider maximum of, let's say, 30 cents, and let's consider $30, and in $30 we can get around 1,000 impressions. 1,000 people will see, 1,000 times our ad will be seen by
Mm-hmm.
different people. 30 is the maximum. Sometimes it will be 10 cents, 20 cents,
Mm-hmm.
15 cents, depending on the competition and depending on how we are bidding, that will be. So if you are launching a product and just the awareness is our goal, then we can go for the display or video campaign. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now here you can see that product product and brand consideration encourage people to explore your product or services. Same kind of website traffic. We are encouraging them to take an exploring
Mm-hmm.
section, just the awareness, but they'll visit to our site and they will explore about the product details. Maybe we can consider 30-second video also. If they watch the video, then also it will be fine. Same like
Mm-hmm.
website traffic. Sales and leads are at the purchase stage, not at the awareness stage or consideration stage. They are at the purchase stage. We can consider them at the second stage, or like consideration stage also, because under sales they might give us their email ID.
Mm-hmm.
And then brand awareness and reach. So this is at the first stage. First, we need to get an awareness about our product launch, or we need to take our product. That product should be reached to different users. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then people will consider the product to buy or whatever they want to do, and the website traffic, both are equally same, just the objective is different. Then they will
Mm-hmm.
submit a mail ID and then they will purchase the product. Okay, this is the process of the user journey. Based on that, we will pick that. Let's say I will pick brand awareness and reach. Now under the
Mm-hmm.
brand awareness and reach, we are not getting search campaign. Okay, we are getting only display and, okay, if I select sales, so website traffic, here I'll get everything: search campaign, display, video, shopping, everything under sales too. Yeah, I'll get everything. But when it comes to brand awareness and reach, I'm getting only display or video, because here if people are searching for a keyword, they know what they are looking for, and they might, this is not a kind of awareness stage, they are at the consideration stage to make a purchase.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now in here, anything you can pick product and brand consideration also, but here we do have only the video, because they need to consider the product, explore the section. Explore means at least they need to watch a 30-second video or 50 seconds video. Then we can say, okay, they explored about a product, they came to know about a product. Okay. Here under the brand, we do have display and video. Let's start with display campaign, and we'll look at the video also. So under the display section, when you select the location, you will get this available impression, 10 billion plus impressions, because we haven't given the people, just only the location has been given. So mostly it will be 10
Mm-hmm.
billion, whatever the location you give. So daily budget around 500 rupees. And here bidding, we do have the options for viewable impressions, conversions, and conversion value. So our goal is to reach to many people, is to make an awareness. Okay, so here viewable impression will be our main bidding. We will bid for the impressions, not for the conversions. And the viewable CPM for this bid group is around, CPM means cost per mile. Mile is 1,000. Cost per 1,000 impressions. Okay, for 1,000 times, if our ad has been seen, how much we are willing to pay? Let's say 10 rupees. It will not cost 10 rupees also. Here you can see the average CPM is around 5 rupees, 5 rupees
Mm-hmm.
62 pies. Okay, but I have given that it as 10. But when we are going to search ad, every click will cost around 2 rupees or 10 rupees. Okay, for search campaign is costly when it comes when comparing with the display or video campaign. So here for 1,000 ad views, we are getting on, they are charging only around 5 to 10 rupees. But for the search campaign, they will charge 2 rupees or 5 rupees or 10 rupees per each click.
Mm-hmm.
So when we are picking our strategy, this will also help us in optimizing our budget. For awareness campaign, definitely we need to go for display or video so that we can save more money and reach more people. So okay. So here the ad targeting, we need to select, like we have given the location as India, but in India, who need to see the ad, that we haven't given that. So here we do have these five things: audience segment, demographics, keyword, topic, and placement. Like for example, if you are launching a new iPhone and you want to show the ad to the people who are interested in iPhone, or let's say mobile phones or technology, if they're interested in that kind of things, we need to show our ad to those people. And here there are two things we need to understand. When you are releasing a product, uh, you want to see people who are interested in the product. Okay, but when Apple or iPhone brands, not only Apple, any brand, Nike, Adidas, or any brand you consider, if they are releasing a product, they just don't show the ad to the people who are interested. They show the ad to everyone, mostly because it's a brand and they need to increase the branding also. Okay, so when the iPhone is getting released, so it will be shown to the people who are interested and the related people also, like people who are interested in any mobiles, people who are using any mobile, because they need to know what kind of features Apple is providing in the new phone. So it will create a branding. Okay, most people will speak about that, the buzz will be created on that. So in these places, based on our targeting, we need to pick anyone. Okay, segmenting suggests who would see the ad. So when you click on that, here it will tell us what kind of people will see our ad. Okay, right now if we say mobile, then I can say search for mobile. Okay, technology. See, again, when you are selling a mobile, technology is not the exact uh, category, because in mobile, if you are releasing a normal mobile, it's not a tech enabled mobile, it's just a normal mobile with the camera and all the details, but it's not a kind of new technology. Okay, so we need to think when we are promoting that.
Mm-hmm.
Business professionals, yes, they like to buy these kind of products, so we can promote to those people also. even if it is a mobile or anything. Okay. Business technology, residential properties, no. Insurance, no. Loans, business and industrial products, business services, properties. Okay. And then we can browse from the different things like who they are, detailed demographics, like their parental status, marital status, married or not married, education, home ownership status, whether they have homeowner or not. Okay.
Hmm.
These details might not be accurate for most of the things, but when you're like parental status, if you're selling something only for the married people, okay, or sorry, only for the parents, then you can select these parents. Okay. Affinity. So here two things: affinity and in market. These are the two categories we need to understand. So in market means right now you are in the market to purchase something. For example, if you are looking for a mobile right now, you'll buy a mobile in 1 month, let's say, or if you want to buy a laptop, you'll buy it in a month. So you'll do a research in the internet, or you'll be in the market looking for the right laptop or right mobile within your budget. Okay. So right now you are in the market and looking for the product. So this is called in market. People who are in the market and looking right now, they are looking for those kind of product are these people. Affinity means if you're interested in those kind of technologies, or if you're interested in those kind of services, like let's say you have a hobby of collecting mobiles, or whenever the laptops or the mobiles releases, you have a hobby of buying or getting to know about the details. Okay, let's say like interior designing. Okay, you want to know new models and new designs every time, like every year, every month, you will look into that. So you will be in the affinity audience section. Okay. If you're right now, if you're buying, you're in the market. If you're just a hobby and if you want to know, get to know all the details, then you will be in the affinity section. Both are same, just the differences. Okay, what they are actually researching or planning right now in the market, and what their interests and habits are, like kind of hobbies or interest. So these two are the affinity and in-market audiences, and how they have interacted with your business. So in the previous ad copy, or in our website pages, if they are visiting in the website pages and if they are adding it to cart, those kind of people we can target in here. In combined audience segment, we can mix any of these things and we can create an audience. Okay.
Mhm.
Custom audience also, we need to create the custom audience. Okay. We can create, we can add different people like the combined audience, or we can create the custom audience and we can create these things. And now let's say we'll go to in market, and live events. So live events, for selling a mobile, live events is not required. Uh, but for the in market, we can go and we can look for kind of computers,
Mhm.
electronics. Like if you are selling for mobiles, computers is not exactly relevant, but it's also kind of mobiles and computers are related. So we can, and we are going through the brand awareness. It's not only the people who are buying should see, just people who are related can also see. Computers are related to mobiles, not exactly, but based on our budget we can enable or we can disable. So this might consume some money, so if you don't want, we have less budget, we can remove this. But if we want to show them also, then we can use it. Dating, education, employment, gifts and occasions. Yeah, gifts and occasions also not required. Software, sports and fitness. Okay. Now here, when you are selling a mobile, why we need to select sports and fitness? Okay, it depends on what ad we are doing. When you see Apple ads, or Apple watches, Apple mobiles or Apple watches, they do promote that they have these health benefits also. The Apple Watch can track your heartbeat or different things, and we can see that in the mobile. Okay, in the ad, if you're explaining those things, then sports and fitness is also related. These people should also know about this future so that they can buy in this category. So we can promote in this particular to these people also. Okay. if we don't have this kind of future, like if you are releasing a Samsung mobile and you don't have that kind of future, like tracking heart rate or BP or any other health kind of related things, we don't do these things. But if it is related to us, then we will select these things. So as of now, as we are considering iPhone, I'm picking these things. So now based on these things, okay, these are the in under the affinity in market section right now, people who are looking for these products I have added. We can add any other details also, demographics also, but I'm not doing that. Okay.
Mhm.
This way we can select the people. Okay, and if we come down, if you want to select other things also, you have under down, you have other four topics, like we have selected one and we have the other also, demographics, age, gender and all, keywords. If people who are looking for mobiles and all the other kind of keywords like iPhone, people who are
Mhm.
searching in Google or YouTube, if anywhere, if they are searching for these kind of keywords, uh, then we can show them the ad for these kind of people also. Whatever the keywords we have selected, okay, we can keep it down, and we can select different things. Topics also same. iPhone is also a topic, mobile is also a topic. So, uh, topic, how it will be considered in a particular website. For example, let's say this particular page has been discussing about digital marketing courses after 12th online certification and fee syllabuses. Okay, fee and certification, it's kind of a course, educational course. So this topic is a digital marketing educational course in this page. So here they will show the ad. This is the topic, so they will show the ad at this place, like a display ad.
Mhm.
Okay, so these are the kind of topics. But when it comes to keyword, what people are looking here, they might not look for the, sometimes people might not look for the educational things. They might just look for digital marketing code, that's it. So keyword
Mhm.
and topic are slightly different, but mostly they are same. Placements, if you want to show your ad at a particular place, okay, like if you want to promote it in some Mr. Beast YouTube channel or some other YouTube channel, you have your friend's YouTube channel and you want to show your ad in your friend YouTube channel, you can do this here. Like you can enter the YouTube channel here, and you can provide the video, video channel link. It will pick up from in that channel or in that video, the ad will be shown. Okay, we can pick those things, whatever the YouTube channel you want, or you can see the websites also. If you want to show in a particular website your ad copy, then you can select that. So here when you're selecting these things, those websites should come up in here. You can't promote in all the websites. YouTube channels, every channel you can promote, but in the websites, when it comes to websites, for example, I have a website, I will not allow Google to promote in my website. Okay, at that point of time that websites will not be available. But if Google, I'm allowing Google to promote things, then uh, you can select those websites. If I'm not allowing, then you can't. Okay, same way YouTube videos, apps and app categories also. Okay, so these are the placements we can pick, and we can, this is how the ad targets. Based on this targeting, we do have 450 million impressions. Okay, with the keywords, last update is with these keywords, iPhone and mobiles, there are 220 million in addition with these keywords, and the average cost per mile has been decreased from 5 rupees to 4 rupees.
Mhm.
Next, now we need to create the ad copy. The ad copy, we do have responsive display ads or upload display ads. Uploading display ads means copying the image. Like you need to create the images and you need to upload all the whatever the images you have created. Like for example, this is the kind of display ad. You need to create this image. You need to check with your graphic designers, and you can create these kind of images in different sizes. Okay, there are different sizes of ads. This is one size, and sometimes you'll see the bigger image on the right side of the web page. So you need to have all the uh, sizes, and then you can upload those images. See here, upload display ads. We can choose files to upload. So it will support GIF, JPG, and PNG. GIF Google is stopping by right now. It might say, but in future they are not accepting GIF images. Okay, in future they might remove GIF images, JPG and PNG. Zip means 10 or 20 images. If you have in one file, that you can upload that. It will take up. Okay, and choose files to upload. Just you can upload the ads and it will work. Not these, we don't have the proper sizes, but if you can upload the proper sizes, then it will be. So here you can see we could not upload one of your ad because the ad size isn't supported. Resize your ad and upload it again. See a list of supported size and formats. So these are the sizes. Where are they? Yeah. These are the sizes of ad formats. 1 minute. Yeah, these are the ads sizes. File types: GIF, JPG, and PNG. Maximum size should be 150 KB. It should not be more because the loading problem will be there. And ad sizes: these are the small, square and rectangle, 200, 200, or 500 into 840, like both. So these are other leaderboards, mobiles for mobiles. So no need to upload all the sizes. You can pick 5 or 6 or maybe 3, whatever the sizes you want. You can pick those sizes and you can upload the image. You can create the image and you can upload those kind of images in here. Okay, not every size is required, just we can create whatever the size you want. Now I'm not using the display ad, uploading the option. I'm going with the responsive display ad. So in the uh, upload, we need to create the image and we need to upload that. Graphic designer will take care of that and will take and we will upload that here. So what happened with these images means, if you want a small change after 1 week of the ad copy, you noticed some changes, like the ad is not running or the ad is not doing well. You want to make some changes. Okay, you want to increase the size of this button, or you want to make some changes in the maybe the color combination, or maybe you want to change the hashtag after 1 week. And now again you need to go to the developer, maybe 5 images or 3 images or 10 images, whatever you created, all the images, the change should happen, and then again you need to upload and you need to do that. So it's a process. Now when it comes to responsive display ads, we need to give the details like the website name, the business name which I'm giving, and images. We can upload any images like the basic logos and the images, like let's say if it is a mobile. Okay, so we need to select two, at least one landscape image and one square image is required. So we'll select another image, one square image. Okay, so we have selected those and we can add the logos, our company logo. Videos, if we want videos we can upload around 30 seconds, but we are doing the display advertisement, we don't want it in the YouTube, then we can ignore these things. Okay, if you want it in both, you can add the video, but not required. Headlines, now we can write the headlines as one headline is required, the two are not, but I'm giving the 3 headlines. So now here and description is also required. This is the ad copy, and here you can see the ad like this. is a responsive ad Google will create based on the title and description what we have given. Okay, this is one of the ad copy. Headline 2 is coming here and description 1 is coming here. These are the buttons, close or open. If they click on it, they'll go to the website. Okay, this is one of the ad and this is the different kind of ad. This size is different. So the first one is a bigger ad, second one is this is the size, headline 2 and description. So this is the image we have given. So here this is a different kind of ad. This is the image, headline 1, this is the logo, description 1. Okay, like this based on the Google ad copy, it will take the images and the logos whatever we have given. Okay, the mobile image which we have given is coming up. So based on that, it will create multiple ads. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 14 ads. And then maybe 3 ads are not being visible. It's not loading. Yeah, 14 ads was being created with this same headline and description which we have given. Now, if we give multiple headlines and multiple description, then this within these 14 ads, there will be multiple headlines and multiple descriptions will be displayed for the users, so that every time when a user sees, he will not see the same ad, he will see multiple ads. Okay, if we give multiple images here, right now here I have given only the one mobile image and one logo, so it was showing like this. But if you have given multiple logos, it will create multiple ad copies. Okay, so like this is the response here. Now in case after a week, if you want to change something, you can just come here and change the headline, or you can just change the logo, or you can just change the images.
Okay.
So this is the responsive ad, and then we can just create the ad, create ad next. So this is the display campaign.
Mm-hmm.
Same for the search and for display, it will be same mostly. Just the way of the objective and the audience selection will be different. In the search campaign, we do give the keywords. In display campaign, we
Mm-hmm.
do have many options like the demographics or keywords or topics. So we do have many options in the display campaign. So we need to pick the right audience to show our ad. Same, but everything is same. Campaign, ad group, and then ads. Fix errors. What are they? Yeah, to continue, first fix your ads, click and add to edit it. Okay, I have given it as headlines and all, but let me delete this ad. Only one ad will be there. Okay, it was asking for font. Publish campaign.
Mm-hmm.
Why the error is coming? Okay, anyway. Okay. maybe the images, it was not taking up the all images, so it was showing an error. But this is the process of writing the headline. Long headline is mostly, it will be shown in very less ads, and then the descriptions. Okay,
Mhm.
this three description was one. Okay, so this is for the display campaign. If you want to make it for the video, you can add the video also here. You can see the video preview also in here. Yeah, website and apps, YouTube and Gmail. So if you go to
Mhm.
YouTube and Gmail, it will show the video ad. Right now, this is just the display ad. We haven't given any video ad, but
Mhm.
you can see the video ad. And same way, video campaign will also be. So the video campaign, video and display both are same, exactly same. Search campaign and display or video will be different, but this video and display will be same. Like for example, if you select website traffic or awareness, also brand awareness or website traffic, fine. If you pick the video campaign,
Mhm.
same way the campaign name, location, language is bidding strategy. So here it's our wish again, whatever the bidding strategy will be, target cost per acquisition or maximize conversion. If you want it only for you know only for the impressions, then we can go for only impressions. So here the following bid strategies aren't available in this campaign. Maximum CPV, cost per view. Okay, cost per view means one, if one person has been seen the ad, then that is a cost per view. Target CPM, CPM means 1,000 views. My M means mile. Cost per 1,000, mile means 1,000. Cost per 1,000 impressions. Viewable also, cost per 1,000 impressions, same. So these are not supported for this campaign because we have selected the website traffic as our goal. So if we change website traffic to brand awareness and pick video, so here we do have three things: video reach campaign, ad sequence, and audio. Audio mostly, if you have YouTube Premium, there's a YouTube Music app. In that, it will be audio. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, So most of the people will not pick this. Only for the YouTube Premium, YouTube Music app will support, and they can listen to the audio song. Like maybe the video will not come up audio songs they can listen, but
Mhm.
for the video reach campaign ad sequence we can do that. So
Mhm.
ad sequence, you can show them two ads. Like in YouTube you will see, right, you'll get two ads. Okay, the two ads will be seen like a sequence, one after one, or else not at the same time, but right now when you're watching one video you'll see the ad, then again if you're going for the next video, or if you're watching a bigger, like in between again the ad comes up, then again the sequence will come up. Okay, it will show the sequence like one after one. If you give the, this is the first ad, this is the second ad, one after one, YouTube will show us. Okay, and video reach campaign, get more reach for the budget with bumper ad, skippable in-stream ads or non-skippable ads. Okay,
Mhm.
skippable means 5 second skip button will be there. Non-skippable, we can upload only 15 to 30 second videos. We should not upload more than that. This is the limit because it's a non-skippable ad. And
Mhm.
skippable, we can upload, you can upload 2 minute video also, but after 5 seconds you will get a skippable ad. Okay, sometimes in non-skippable ad, after 15 seconds you might get a skip option, but if you are going for only non-skippable, it will not show. It will show you should provide only 15 second or below 30 second video. Complete video will be played. Okay,
Mhm.
bumper ads in YouTube, just below the video you will see the sticker like a display campaign. Okay, so mostly we'll pick skippable or in stream or non skippable in stream ads. Whatever it is,
Mhm.
you pick this campaign and select the way you'd like to reach. So as we have seen here, bumper ads, skippable and in-stream. So here these are the three things: efficient reach, the three things, skippable and in-stream, or a mix. whatever it is, we can get these details. Non-skippable, see, up to 15 second. Sometimes we can give up to 30-second video also, but right now it was not supporting for us with the 30-second video. But sometimes we can give the 30-second non-skippable in-stream ad also.
Mm-hmm.
Target frequency: reach the same people more than once with skippable in-stream ad or non-skippable ads for bumper ads. Like target
Mm-hmm.
frequency means just reaching maybe in a week 10 times or in a week 5 times, like that. Mostly we want our ad to reach in an efficient way. So whatever the ad is, if a person is coming and watching in the YouTube, we need to show them our product. That's it. So we'll go with the efficient reach most of the times. If you want to make sure the person has seen about our product, then you need to go for the non-skippable. In non-skippable, what happens? He need to watch the 15-second ad and the complete message will be seen. In efficient reach, he will skip the ad after 5 seconds. Okay. When you're seeing YouTube ads, how many ads you will watch without skipping the without skipping the ad? Mostly we will not, right?
Yeah.
So efficient reach will be fine. But if you want the message to be seen by all the people, then non-skippable instant video will be fine. But the video should be within 15 seconds. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then you. So here same again, target cost per mile, the bidding. So the campaign total, no, we will select daily budget as around 100 rupees. Networks, YouTube and video partner on Google Net Display Network, fine. India. So here ad group name and then this. Same for the display, we do have 5 keyword: topic placement, demographic and audience segment. Here also we have the 5 options. We can pick whatever we want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the placements, if you pick the placements, then here you can select the different things mostly. Uh, yeah, YouTube channel and websites. Okay, these are the channels. If you want to give one site within that particular channel, your video will be played most of the time. For example, if you are promoting a mobile, and there are
Mm-hmm.
mobile review YouTube channels will be there. Okay, you can pick 10 YouTube review channels, mobile review channels, and then you can give it here. So in that channels only your ad will be displayed. So people who are seeing the review videos of mobile phones, that people are
Mm-hmm.
the right people to see the ads, right? So at that point, this will work in a better way. Okay. YouTube videos, we need to pick many videos. Videos means, see, if you give one video, for that one video, we don't know how many people will see that 1 million views in 10 days, or we don't know how many ads will be displayed. So when you're selecting YouTube videos, you need to give more number of links, more number of videos will be should be provided to run the ad well. But if you provide YouTube channel, then this will be good. They do have many videos. Many people will watch the all the videos, so our ad will be displayed most of the times.
Mm-hmm.
Websites, any websites you can pick. Apps and see, never go through the apps or app categories. If you are going through that, make sure you are blocking the mobile applications.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Even though demographics and everything is correct, mobile gaming apps, like the game apps, are not the right way to promote our ads, because you are the target customer for me to sell an iPhone, but your kid might be watching, your kid might be playing, and he might see the ad and he might click on the ads. So that's a waste of money. Most of the times that this will happen with when we are going with the gaming applications. Okay. So when you are doing an ad, mostly try to avoid app categories and apps.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to do that, then add the mobile application, no, not the mobile application, the game categories at the negative uh, in your targeting. Okay, so these are the keywords and topics. Once you pick anything, let me pick some topics. The ad copy, Cost per mile, I have given 100 rupees, so I'm giving 10.
Mm-hmm.
Now the ad copy. Okay. So now here we are creating the ad. So now I need to give my YouTube video. So what is the ad which I'm running? Let me grab one. Let's say I want to promote this. So this video has been taken and it was saying skippable in-stream ad. It will be skippable. If it is non-skippable ad, the video should be only 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So the final URL, once they watch the video and if I click on this explore button, I'll go to a different page, okay, or different YouTube channel. So what is this link? We can give our website link also. They have given their YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
but we can give we give a website link also. Like let's say
Mm-hmm.
this is the link, display link, whatever the link we can give it here. Display link. Call to action here in the ad they have given it as a explore. They
Mm-hmm.
have given it as a call to action as a explore button. Same explore button we can give here as whatever in from the drop down we can pick that. So here learn more, shop now, sign now, watch, download, order now, play now. So these are all the options available for now. So we can click download maybe, and then we can add a headline. So this is the headline. So watch now is a headline which they have given.
Mm-hmm.
So here we can give download is the one we have like free resource or brochure. We have the 15 character limit. We can use up to the 15 character limit. Okay, here we have the this is mostly the drop down part, or else we can just write it something else. You know, so it was not taking. Uh, Whatever it is, you can mention that below 10 characters, and this is the headline should be below 15 characters. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the ad one, auto generated. This is the image. Okay, the thumbnail image. Okay. If you upload an image, then that image will be displayed here. The thumbnail image will be displayed here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the ad copy which we have created. Bidding 10 rupees, which we have given, and then uh, create done. Campaign was created. So this is for the YouTube video.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So search campaign is for the lead generation process, and display and YouTube campaign will work for awareness and lead generation. Both the ways display and YouTube campaign will work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the creation of ad copies. We do have the three types, uh, and then the other is let's say brand awareness and reach, and display and video, site traffic. So here you can see the shopping ads. Okay, shopping ads are different. For shopping ads, we need to have a shopping website like Amazon or any different kinds of website.
Mm-hmm.
In that website, Google will pick those links. Like it's a, let's say, like merchant center.
Mm-hmm.
From the merchant center, we can feed the products. Whatever we are selling the products, we can tell Google, these are all the products, and this is the cost of the product, this is the color of the product, this is the discount for this product. We can mention those things to Google, and Google will fetch them to the merchant center. From merchant center, if we have a linked account, then just we can select the category and we can run that. It's simple. Just if we have a website, you can link that to Google Merchant Center, and Merchant Center will feed everything. Like this is the URL, this is the product, this is the price of the product, and everything it will pick from the website.
Mm-hmm.
Data will be given to the center. For example, if you want to this product, it will capture every detail, the URL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it will capture the URL, the title, the cost, discount, how much discount it is giving,
Mm-hmm.
and the cashback offers, the image, the details, and everything, brand on everything. This will capture. And when you search for that particular product, here you can see that. Okay, the image was there. When I click on it, the title was there, this price, and this is by you shop by HUL, not Amazon, but this from this
Mm-hmm.
website, this ad was been coming up. Okay, so it will fetch everything. Like let's say, so here these all the details. So here this came like the details. You can, when I click on it, 15 MB rear camera, 16 MB front camera. When I click on that, I'll go to the website. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is from Vijaya Sale, this is from Reliance Digital. So everything will be fetched, and this will be easy. So these are the shopping apps. Okay, we need to have the website, and we need to add these details to the merchant center. Just Google or yeah, the merchant center will fetch the details, or else you can provide a spreadsheet, or from the website you can just link it and it will take all the details, whatever the details we want, we can provide them, and based on keywords it will run the campaign.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is on the Google campaigns. Okay, by this way we can create the ad copies.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's start with the MailChimp campaign.
MailChimp.
Uh, Anima, you have any questions on the campaigns?
Not now.
Not okay. So just go to them. If you have anything, just let me know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Are you okay? We can. Shall we continue?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So email marketing. Uh, Email marketing is a very cheap way. Like it will be when it comes to Google Ads, we need to spend $2. We need to spend $2 per click.
Mm-hmm.
When it comes to video, we need to spend around 30 cents, or yeah, 30 cents or 15 cents for the impressions. Okay, but the search campaign is costly because we are spending $2 or $10, whatever it is. But when it comes to email campaign, if you have $2 or $10, we can send it to thousand. We can send around 100 emails or 1,000 emails, uh, depending on how many emails we are sending. Sometimes it might take only 1 cent to send an
Mm-hmm.
email. Sometimes it will send once. It will take 1 cent to send two emails. Okay, it is a very cheap way of marketing.
Mm-hmm.
And the importance of marketing is, with the emails, everyone will use their emails. People who doesn't even, who are not on social media also will use their
Mm-hmm.
emails, because emails from the beginning of the internet, emails are the way of communicating with between each other, mostly from the companies and the customers. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
salespeople can send emails. If you wanna, if I want to send a message to you, like there's a payment pending, I can send an email to you. Or the monthly subscription has been getting ended and you need to renew it, I can send an email to you.
Yeah.
Or if there is a new feature coming up, I can send an email to you. Okay, whatever it is, I can communicate with email. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
email is the cheapest way. And if you have 10,000 customers, let's say Amazon is starting Christmas offer, and how do we inform the users that we are giving the Christmas offer? Okay,
Yeah.
so for that purpose we can use the email. If you have 10,000 customer emails, you can send an email directly to those people, and they will look the emails. Okay, that is the best way to communicate between each other. For that purpose, we can use the emails, and we can send 10,000 emails or 100,000 emails at once, and it will be personalized. The emails will be like, "Hi Arunima, hi Avinash." So like that it
Yeah.
will be. Okay. So the emails will be very personalized, and emails will be cheap, and we can send bulk mails in very short time. So for that purpose, we will use the email marketing.
Yeah.
And for that we do have different tools. Here I'm showing you the Mailchimp, how to use the tool. The way how to use the tool, or how to create the email campaign is same in all the platforms. Just the
Mm-hmm.
platforms will, just the basic changes will be there from platform to platform, like using Amazon or using Walmart or using Flipkart. So like
Mm-hmm.
that, buying is same, but the process will be different. That's it. So
Okay.
here, let's see the Mailchimp. First we'll see the pricing details. Okay,
Yeah.
everything has a free version. Okay, so free
Mm-hmm.
version has limits. We can send only up to 1,000 emails, and we can upload only 500 contacts. So here these pricing details are for how many contacts do you have. I have 500 email IDs. Contact means email IDs
Mm-hmm.
for emails. So if I have 500, this is free. There's a free version. We can send 1,000 emails. So I can send two emails to every person, or anything, 1,000 emails I can send to these 500 contacts.
Mm-hmm.
Now if I increase it to 1,500 emails, if I have 1,500, this free version doesn't support because it will accept only 500 contacts.
Yeah.
Okay, above that, then we need to pay the pricing. So this is the $18 per month, and we can send 15,000 emails. Okay, like that. If you increase the emails, then the price will come down. Okay, price will come down in the sense, let's say 1,500 emails and 15,000 emails for $18. So if we take it around, for $1, we can send around 800 emails or something.
Mm-hmm.
If it is, let's say 18,000 emails, then $1, 1,000 emails will send. So like that it will be. So if we increase that, the number of contacts, then it will
Mm-hmm.
become cheap. So this essential will also will not work for this 100,000 contacts. So we need to go to standard with $462. Let's say $500, and with $500 we can send these many emails. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and 5 users can use the same account. Okay, audiences means 5 different category of people. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
Amazon. In Amazon, you are interested in mobiles. Someone are interested in laptops. Some other people are interested in clothes. So these are different
Mm-hmm.
categories. These are different. Based on that, we can figure it out. Okay, the audiences. If you want separate audiences, we can create separate audiences in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and we do have these other features also, email templates and all, which are pretty much okay for this one. We can look into those things. So these are
Okay.
basically, this is the pricing. If you increase the contacts, the pricing will be cheaper. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but
Mm-hmm.
depending on our contacts, then we will go that. Okay, if you have only, if you are a startup company, then if you don't have email IDs, we'll just choose the basic
Mm-hmm.
package. Okay. So now
Yeah.
let's see the free, with the free version we can use the account. Um, I'm not sure what it is. Not that bad. Okay, this is the dashboard of our MailChimp. Here on the left side we have the menu, all the different things, campaigns, automation, audiences, analytics, and all the other things. And here, this is the overview, just the overview. So first we'll see the audience. Okay, here audience means the people. How many emails we have, that is called as audience. Even a subscriber, like in mails, you will see subscribe to our newsletter and all. Okay, that is just a subscriber. Just adding an email ID is called a subscriber. Now first we'll see the audience. Audience, for the free version we have one audience. You can create one audience list. Audience means a set of people or set of users. Okay, set of contacts can be called as audience. uh, Under audience also we can categorize them. Okay, we can tag them and we can add categories to them. Okay, segment them. Tags and segments are there under category, under audience. So audience means set of people. In that set of people we can subcategorize, subsection them. Okay, let's say an audience in your startup, in your company, AR Web Media, you do have it's a web media company, and web media has different categories. Some might cover movies, some might cover politics. Okay, now here two things, you can create two different audience for politics, for politics and movies. Okay, you can create two different audience for politics and movies. That is one way of doing it. Or you can create one audience section for mostly, let's say, AR Web Media, and under AR Web Media you can tag them. So this person is into movies, this person is into politics. Okay, or this person is into both movies and politics also, we can tag them. Okay, based on that, like subsection. Okay, audience is just a group of people, and under that group we can tag them, and we can. So okay, let's upload them. Okay, so here this is the audience section. When we are creating the audience, we do have these things: view contacts and manage audience. Now if you want to add these people, like whether 500 people or 10,000 people, how many they are, if you have one person you can add them as a subscriber. Okay, if you add them as a subscriber you can do it one by one, and it will take a lot of time. If you just have one email ID, you can choose this add as a subscriber. But if you have a list, okay, you need to import import the contacts. Okay, maybe spreadsheet, from spreadsheet you can do that. So here you can see copy and paste. You can copy paste if you have very little amount. You can upload a file like CSV, Excel sheet. Importing from another service is like, if you have like this Shopify site. In Shopify site you might have some email IDs or this other Salesforce. You can upload from those websites. For that you can import from another service. But let's say, let's pick upload a file, and we can continue. You can add the file here, and the file can contain everything. Okay, like the email ID is mandatory, because we are sending an email, so email is the mandatory. For that email you can add the name, from which location they are, and all the complete details. Let's say Amazon. In Amazon, when you are registering Amazon account, you'll provide everything: what is your location, your date of birth, your name. All the details will be provided by you, so all the details will be uploaded here. You can just upload the Excel sheet, and it will take it. Okay, so now once you upload that, it will be shown in this way. So these are the email IDs. first name, last name. Email ID is mandatory. The main thing is email ID.
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest you to add the first name also, because with the name we can send the personalized emails. Like when you see your Amazon email, it will be like hi or Nima,
Yeah.
like with the personalized email. So we need to have the first name also. But this is not mandatory. We can upload only emails. But I suggest this is also mandatory thing. The first name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last name, address, phone number, birthday,
Yeah.
okay, gender, age, tags, and email
Mm-hmm.
marketing and sports. Like there are many things. If there is other thing, like if you have any other thing like category, here if there is no category, you can add the category also from the spreadsheet. You can create one, and here you can upload that, and it will show up. Okay, in when you are uploading, it will ask for this. What is this column? You can mention. You can tell Mailchimp this is called category, and it will come up. The category will come up. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so like that we
Mm-hmm.
can add many details. Whatever the details we have, we can add. Now we have uploaded this thing. We need to tag these people. Let's say these two people are into movies. So here you can select them, and you can add a tag. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here add or remove tag. You can say let's say manage tags. Here I have created movies and politics as a tag under the tag section. Again, if I go back to contacts, now let's say these two people are into movies. I'll add them
Mm-hmm.
under the movies section. Okay, here you can see for these two email IDs, the tags will be movies and newsletters. We can add multiple tags for them. Okay, and let's say these particular two people, let's say this guy is into movies and politics also. I'm adding them into politics. Okay, so these two people, this person has into politics, movies, and newsletter. Second one is only into politics. The first person is only into movies, as per us. So we can add these tags. Now, what are these? What is the use of? Okay, let's say the second thing is segments. This is a tag mentioning who is the person and what they do for each contact. We will do that. Now, segment is like we do have all the 10,000 emails. Now we do have an we are giving an offer like for your birthday we will give 10% discount.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or in that particular month, if your birthday is on is in August, for the whole August month you can purchase one time, and one time you will get 50% off as it is your birthday, or you'll get one free pizza. Okay, whatever you are selling based on that.
Mm-hmm.
Now you want to inform that to your customers. Okay, now you need to find out the birthdays whose birthday is in August. Okay, then we can send them an email. Okay, now we need to segment. Okay, here under these segments we can see new segment. Okay, under these segments we can pick many things: email subscription status. Like this we do have many things. Okay, and here contact details we do have birthday, age, and all. Let's pick birthday. Month is August or September, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
You can give that, so that information should be available in the contacts. Okay, right now when we look at the birthday, we are not getting any contacts because
Mm-hmm.
we haven't given birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say gender, we have one contact with the gender or age with the 10. This guy age is 10 and the gender is male. So let's say new segment,
Mm-hmm.
and the age is 10, and preview the segment. What is okay? So now only one came up. Only one email ID came up because this guy age is 10. Okay, like that we can create a segment and we can send an email to these people. We can save this segment as a group. Okay, so we can send for these people. We can send them an email. Like let's say, as an example, birthday. If their birthday is in September, we can send them an email like we are providing a free pizza or 10% off on the product for this complete month as it is your birthday. Only one time. So we can send that information through the email. So like that we can segment these people. Okay, and for tags also same. Filter by tags. I can filter these people who are interested in movies. Okay, so two contains. Okay, these two people are interested in movies. Okay, when I remove these things, filter by tags, I want people who are interested in movies uh, and politics. So people, both movies and politics are one. Only one person is interested in movies and politics. Okay, so based on that we can filter them and I can send a campaign. Okay, I can send a campaign only to these people who are interested in movies and politics, or else if only movies, I can send a campaign to these two people who are interested in movies, especially to these people when I'm sending an update related to movies. This is how Amazon will, this is the audience section where we can add the audience and customize them. Okay, for this complete audience we will have the unsubscribe button. When you're seeing the email, Amazon email or any email, at the bottom you will see unsubscribe link. If you unsubscribe, that unsubscribe will, like your email will go from this audience list, like it will be in the unsubscribed segment and you will not receive any emails. Okay, for example, let's say I'm sending, there is an audience called Amazon, and you are interested in electronics. I'm interested in what, decoration or something else. So when Amazon is sending an email for electronics, they are sending to everyone. If I'm receiving electronics email, I'll unsubscribe because I don't want electronics to be seen in my email and make my email spam, all these email kind of things. I'll unsubscribe. Now next time when they are sending the email for decoration, I'll not get an email because I have unsubscribed from the audience list. So I will go away from this list, and whatever the tags or segments it is there, you will be moved out from all these things. Okay, for that purpose we will have two separate audiences, one audience for decoration, one audience for electronics. Okay, so when I unsubscribe, I'll get only uh, emails related to decoration. You will get emails only related to electronics. So now it will be good. You are interested in those emails, I'm interested in these emails. I'll not unsubscribe, you will not unsubscribe. So for that reason we will have the separate audiences. Even if we have the same one audience and the two people, we need to have these tags clearly. We need to make them clear and we need to send the campaigns to the right people so that we will not have more unsubscribes. Okay, so we will not make spam. Okay, for that reason mostly we will use these segments and tags. So this is the audience section. Okay, and here when we look at the pricing, if you have two audiences and the same emails are in the two audiences, like in one electronic audience you have 50 people, the same 50 people are interested in decoration also, you have created a new audience set. You have the 50 same audience in the decoration and same audience in the electronics. Now as per the MailChimp tool you have 100 contacts, even though 50-50 they are same, but you have two audience and you have duplicated them twice, so you have the 100 contacts. You need to pay the price for 100 emails. Okay, but the advantage is when they unsubscribe from one group, they will receive the another group emails. Okay, So we need to be careful while creating the audience depending on the pricing. So the big companies doesn't care about the pricing because MailChimp is very cheap, very less cost it will be. So they will not care for that. But when it comes to startup, paying $100 per month might be a bigger amount for some audience, because if they are not sending regular emails, then $100 per month is not worth. So at that
Mm-hmm.
point of time, it is important to optimize the audience section.
Yeah.
Uh, Arnima, already we are more than 1 hour. If you have time, we can continue. If not,
Yeah, we can do.
uh, we can. Okay. So once we have the audience, like audience is just a set of emails. We have uploaded the emails and tagged or whatever we have done.
Mm-hmm.
Then the campaign. Okay. Under the campaign section, if we need to send an email, we need to create the template. When we are sending emails, we'll just write the content. Okay, write one paragraph of the information we are sending, and we'll send the
Mm-hmm.
email to one another, like the personal or office communication and anything. But when
Yeah.
you are receiving an email from Amazon, you will see a template, you will see some images, you will see some buttons. Okay, we need to create that template in this campaign section.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, to create the complete campaign. So here, when you click on create campaigns, on the top you'll see create new. Let's start with create new. So here you will see these things. We are creating an email. So regular, plain text or template. Plain text means how we will communicate, just one paragraph within the one white background and all, just we'll send the email, just writing some text and sending it. Okay. Regular also same, but just with the background image or something. When it comes to template, we have different options under the template section. Like we can create like these kind of emails. Okay, let's see, then get started. Now under this template section, we do have these themes. These are the templates layouts. Layout is just a dummy. This is the layout. Here this big image will come, here the two images will come. This is how the layouts will be. So we can create based on this, or we can create the theme based on theme. Also we can create the templates. Okay, these are the themes. These are just the themes. Like if you import one, let's say this is a special one, fall colors. If I have selected this template, we can design the template from scratch also, like the color combination, everything, without selecting any template. We can directly create them. But in the beginning it would be tough for us to understand all the options, so it's better to pick some templates. Okay, so here this is the template, and here we do have all the options. If you want to add anything, or if you want to, like if you want to edit anything, click on it, you will see the option. Okay, this is the block which you are editing, and this is the image. Okay, this is the image which we are seeing, and it is asking us to replace the image. We can replace the image with whatever we have, like whatever the product we are promoting. Okay, and we need to resize it. So as per the size also matters. So as this is a bigger, this came up bigger. But if you replace it again, we don't have any other images, but let's upload one image. This is also a bigger image, the mobile, so it will come bigger. Okay, and we have the edit option for the images. Here we can edit with the sizes, a custom, square, 4:3, 4:9, or whatever it is. Oppo A7, let's say save. Okay, so this is how, yeah, this is how it comes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Depending on our requirement, we can make changes. Of course, the previous one is good. I have made it worse, but yeah, this is how we can make the changes. Let's delete it. It was not looking. Okay. So now if you want to add something, text, you can create the text. You can just drag and drop the text. The text block came here, and you can write uh, whatever the text you want, or let's say
Thanksgiving offer false.
yeah, whatever, we can write that. And after this section, in the background, now here you can see the background image was there. If I select
Mhm.
this, I can change the background image also. Right
Mhm.
now I don't have the background images, but yeah, you can change the background image. It was fill and fit, so we can change it. So right now it was fit to fit. Sorry, right now it was fill. Now if I make it fit, it was fit to the whole thing. Okay. uh, Title just came up like this. And if I don't want the image, I can clear it up. It was just the text. And then below there is a content, okay, and the
Mhm.
button. Now if I want a different option, I can just click on this same close. I have these many other options also. If I want a button, I can drag this button. I can drag it and add it anywhere. Like if I want a button here, I can add the button here. Okay. And I can
Mhm.
write whatever I want, buy now, or 30% off. I can give the link. Maybe. And then the style borders, we can pick these borders, like let's say the dots. This is how the dots will be. Here the rounded corners. Just this basic styling here we can see.
Mhm.
And the back, the color of the image, whatever we want, we can
Mhm.
pick the color. uh, Button style, the text style, this is the white color is the text. The 30% off is under the white. It was bold. I can remove the bold or add the bold. Spacing normal. Font, the size is 16, or let's say 30 pixel, so it will increase. The padding is spaces, okay, the space, like let's say if I make it 30.
Mhm.
Okay, the uh, text will, the space after the text, above, below, and the sides will change. Is a styling, complete button styling will be changed. And then the settings.
Mhm.
Now settings aligning will be center or left or right. Okay. Now fit full width, it's a full width, or fit to text. So this is how this button options will be. Same way we can add different options. Let's say image and text.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the image and text. We have both the options. Now here we can
I
upload
got
an
it.
image.
I mean, like, yeah.
So and we can write the text.
Mhm.
This is image and text. Now same way for the text we can make these changes. This is like a link or whatever, bold or things like that. We can make these changes for text. And under styling, the text style, we can give the font the same thing. See here under the text section, we can change the font. We can change the styles. We can change everything. The same thing which was in the style. Okay.
Mhm.
But for image, only under the style section we can make the changes. For image, we can add the round corners. You can see these changes. Okay, like this. And the borders, let's say the dots. So it was not coming up the very line, dotted, and I'll say
Yeah.
15 pixel. Okay, so it was coming up too big. Let's say 5. It was small. So these changes can be made, the color combinations and all. And then the settings, how the image and the text should be seen. Number of
Mhm.
image 1, and the image position, left and or right, top and bottom. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and image
Yeah.
width 2 by 3. Text is more and the image is small. Even the image is still small. So how we can
Mm-hmm.
write? We have a big paragraph, then we can make these changes. Image alignments,
Mm-hmm.
centered or right or left. Okay.
Yeah.
Same way we have these many other options where we can create a template. Video, you can add the video,
Yeah.
footer, button, social, and every other things. Okay? And the style. So
Yeah.
here, if you don't pick anything, the style is for the complete page. The page, the header section, upper body, middle body, lower footer, mobile style, and referral badges. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is the footer section. View this email in the browser, copyright and all, our mailing matter. This
Yeah.
by default, every email will
Yeah.
have this. See this button, unsubscribe from the list. We can't remove them. Here there is a delete option, but as per the rules, if there is no unsubscribe option, we can't send the
Yeah.
emails. Okay, so this is by default it will
Mm-hmm.
be.
Okay.
Now once we have created that,
Mm-hmm.
at the top you can click on preview and text, enter the preview mode. So this is how the preview
Mm-hmm.
test mobile. This is in mobile how it looks like. If we want any make changes, we can make the changes. Inbox. So inbox we need to upgrade our
Mm-hmm.
account to show that in the inbox. And if we upgrade the account in inbox, how it will be shown, like Gmail, Outlook. So in different inboxes it will show.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the template. And we can save this template. You can send a test email also. You can just give your email ID. You can just send an email. So here under preview and test, you do have this inbox. Instead of buying the buying the credits for the inbox,
Mm-hmm.
you can just send an email to your send a test email, so it will be in your inbox and you can test it out how it is.
Yeah.
So below we have the save and exit. Just save and exit. Maybe later. Now we just want to send a campaign with this email. We do have the edit option or create email, preview, share or replicate. Share means we can share it with others. Replicate means copy, duplicating. Preview
Mm-hmm.
we have seen. Create email. Now let's just create the email with this template. So this is the email. First thing is the recipients to whom we need to send. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here send to all subscriber. No, I can create a new segment or I can use the segment. Right now we have created age group 10. Right.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one segment, age group 10 for newsletters only. So they need to be with age within the 10 age group, and we are sending them newsletter, not movies, not politics, not some other. We are sending only newsletter for the people who are with the age group 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the segment. And tags, we do have different things: newsletter, out of stock, movies, and politics. If you want to send to only people who are interested in movies, we can
Mm-hmm.
select send to movies. Okay. We can save it. We can see how many people are there in these movies tag. Two recipients are there. For two people, we are sending an email. If we change that, it will tell us. If we change it to politics, two by two. Okay, it was giving two. So if we change that, this number will change.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say two. Okay, we have the five people. Now, from whom you are sending an email? Okay. The email address you can give and the name you can give. Okay. This is just from where we are sending an email. It will not be sent from sorry, MailChimp. It will be whatever the email we are giving, it will be sent. Now the email subject, as we write the email subject, whatever it is, the email subject can be given. And then after the email subject, the content is what we have created, the email template. Okay, this is the email template which we have created previously, so that is the content. Okay. If you want to edit that, you can click on edit design, and you can make changes to anything. Like if you want to change the button, or based on this particular email campaign, if you want to change something, you can make these changes in the email campaign. And let's just click on continue. Here also same, you can preview and the preview more, or send an test email, and you can check those things, and you can click on the continue. So if you are okay with everything, the contacts, subject, and the content, like the email template, then you can send the email campaign, or you can schedule the email campaign. Okay. So here this is send time, edit send time. So schedule a time, we can, it was asking to upgrade for to schedule it, but we can send it at a particular time. Okay. From the, like if you want to send it in the early morning 8 o'clock, you can send it at 8 a.m or 8 p.m. Based on different times you can send the email. Okay. Just that's it, we can send it. If you are scheduling to send it at tomorrow 8 a.m, this will be schedule now option. Here we can see the schedule now. Here, as we are not scheduling it, we are sending it right now. It will be send option. So if I click on it, the email campaign will be sent to the people whom we have selected.
Yeah.
Okay. And here one more thing is edit recipients. Here, personalize the send to field. If I click on this, it will ask the merge tags, custom merge tag. So here it was showing the first name. If I add this first name, it will be going, the emails will go customized emails. Like here we haven't given anything in the template. Let me save this. This is the email. When we are seeing our email, ah, ah. So here let me add text. Okay. Now in this text, I want to mention it like I, and then the merge tag. So here we have the merge tag function. Now I am adding it as a person. So this is the email ID, which this is the email which I have. Now, as per this, when based on the first name, whatever the email ID is associated, if it is my name, it will be like hi Avinash. It will be like your name, it will be hi. So this is a customized email which you're sending for each people. If you don't want to add first name, you can add any other details. Like you have email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, whatever the details. Like in between this content, if you're telling we are uh, as your birthday is on this day, okay, we want to mention their birthday. Okay. Now I'll just add this merge and I'll make it as a birthday. So their birthday will be displayed. So I'm telling them, hi Arnima, this is your birthday offer. Your birthday is in coming in 2 days, and I'll give this. The date will be coming. So it will be a personalized email for you.
Yes.
Okay. These are the merge tags option which you can use. Based on that, when we send an email, it will be a customized email. So if you see these things, so here you can see, hi Avinash, an announcement has been made from someone. So this is the personalized email which we are getting. And here in this two, I have added it as a two field as a personalized with first name. So
Mm-hmm.
now when you see, you're not seeing any first name, you're just seeing the names. But if I add the first name here, it will come up. Here I'll see my name. Okay. So for that purpose, we can add it for the two. At the two part, we can add the first name, but here it is not
Mm-hmm.
required. But in the content, it is required. Okay. Here we can see this is the subject.
Mm-hmm.
This is the from whom we are getting the email, and below, if we open that information, then this is the
Mm-hmm.
template, and here it will be like hi something whatever we mentioned. Okay, this is the name, this is the custom account name, so this was the merge tag which they have mentioned.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the email campaign which we can send. Now we have seen the audience and email campaigns, but we need to see the automations also. Automation means once you register in an account, you'll get a verification email, so that is automated. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
I'm not creating a template, I'm saying I just create once. When someone registered, I'll trigger it automatically and send it by default. At the
Mm-hmm.
month end, I want to send a payment reminder, then that can also be done with this automation process. Okay. Or if you send an email, if they accept, we'll send one email. If they don't accept, we'll send another email. That is also we can send with this automation. We will see the automation and the other things from the email campaign. So mostly email campaign is for audience and campaign, which we have seen. The other things like automation and all other things and SEM rush we'll see in the next campaign. Sorry, next session.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we'll have one another session so that we can be done. And if you have just go through everything, if you have any other questions, we can have another session to clear your doubts.
Yeah. 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 Sure.
Okay, let me know if it is anything confusing, any topic, just let me know.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.